Good morning, dear children. Today we will continue yesterday's question, exercise 2.3, question 3. And yesterday we have done question A. B and C was your homework. I hope that much part is clear and no doubt is there. Now move to the question number 3D. Whose farm has produced more carrots, Mohan's or Rakesh? What is the difference in the yields? Now, to find the answer, we will observe the table. Right? Here, Rakesh has produced 1409 carrots in this kilogram. Mohan's produced 2919 kilogram carrots. So without doing any operation we can say this number is bigger, means Mohan has produced more carrots than Rakesh, right? So our first answer is whose farm has produced more carrots, so we can say Mohan, right? Now next answer we will find for what is the difference in yields. And to find the difference we will subtract smaller number from bigger number, and here it is, right? To find the difference, smaller number will be subtracted from bigger number and our answer is 1510. This number is in kilogram, means this much 1510 kilograms more carrots Mohan has produced than Rakesh. Yes, is it clear, students? Now move to the question number 4. Question is, Sandhya records the number of passengers traveling in an aeroplane and the food served to them. Here A and B two questions are there. A1. If 4,653 people traveled to England and 3,621 people traveled to France in 2 weeks, how many more people traveled to England as compared to France? To find the answer, we will start with the statements. First statement, number of people traveled to England is equal to 4,653. Number of people traveled to France is equal to 3,621. And what is to be found? Number of people traveled to England as compared to France. This is question mark, and for that we will subtract a smaller number from bigger number, and this is our answer 1032. So our last statement will be number of people traveled to England as compared to France is equal to 1032. I hope this is clear to you, students. Now question 4b. The air hostess received orders for 1221 packets of snacks on Saturday. They include 627 bread toast and 393 sandwiches. The remaining orders are for burgers. Calculate the orders received for burgers. Now this is also word problem, and we will start with the statements. Here it is. Number of packets of snacks is equal to 1221, out of which number of bread toast are 627 and number of sandwiches are 393. Now what is to be found? Orders received for burgers. And to find this answer, first of all we will add, here it is written also. Now first we will add number of bread toast and sandwiches, and number of bread toast are 627 plus number of sandwiches are 393, and our answer is 1020. This is the answer number A. I labeled, we will use this answer later on, right? So this is the answer. These are the total order of bread, toast and sandwiches. Now, to find orders for burgers, we will subtract answer A. Answer A means 1020 from total order received by air hostess. Total order means this number 1021. Now, total order means 1021 minus order of bread, toast and sandwiches. We found answer 1020. We will subtract and our answer is 201. This is the final answer, and this is for order received for burgers is equal to 201. Means number of burgers are ordered 201. I hope there is no doubt. Right, now we will move to the exercise number 2.4, and this exercise is based on subtraction with regrouping. Here, question 1, subtract the following numbers. 1 is done for you. Here, subtraction you are given, A1 is given to you, and we will do B1, and C1 is your homework, and B1 is 9815 minus 5976. As we can see, 5 is smaller than 6, so we need to borrow from the tens place digit, and 1 we will cut and we will put 0 on the place of tens place, and 5 become 15. Now 15 minus 6, 9. Now 0 minus 7 not possible. Again we will borrow from the 100 plus digit, it is 8. We will cut, it will become 7, and here it will be 10. Now 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. Now again 7 minus 9 not possible. We will borrow from the thousand place. It become 8 and 7 becomes 17. 17 minus 9, 8. 8 minus 5, 3. So our answer is 3839. I hope this is clear. C1 is your homework. Thank you and have a nice day.